excuse me, sir. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you Arabic?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Tunisia.
You Muslim?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, I got a camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
Oh. Okay.
Okay. I've got a challenge for you. Basically, as you said, you're Muslim. You got to win an iPhone 12 Pro Max if you drink from this beer. Look, I will show you the phone. Yeah? You got to win it if you drink from this beer.
No way. Come on.
Why?
No, we're not allowed to drink beer. No, we're Muslims. We cannot drink beer.
How about, would you do it if I stop the camera, if I'm not gonna record you?
No, no way. No.
You sure?
100%.
Wait. Maybe like you can change your mind. It's not, you don't have to drink it all. You just like a little bit.
Can I smell that? No, come on.
No, stay. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Come here.
What's up?
Are you Arabic?
Of course I'm Arabic. Yes, what's up? Why
Muslim.
the camera is there? Hello?
You Muslim?
السلام عليكم.
يا اخوي سوري.
سوري. حبيبي من وين انت؟ تونسي؟
تونس.
حبيبي ربي يسعدك كيفك؟
سلام.
الله يقويك. What's going on
Okay,
here?
would you mind to be on YouTube? I've got a camera right there.
No, it's alright. It's alright, no problem. What's up?
Okay, basically I've got a challenge for you.
Oh, iPhones,
Yeah. You got to win this iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of the camera if you drink a little bit of alcohol from this bottle.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yes.
Whoa, man.
مهبولة هذه مجنونة. في بالها نحن نجمو نشربوا.
تشرب انت ما شربت؟
دي سألتني قلت لها ليه.
والله.
استغفر الله.
استغفر الله اي والله بس ايفون يا زلمه.
والله كي يعطيني الفلوس الكل انا مش غير.
والله اذا اعطيتك فلوس الدنيا ما بتشرب.
تخمم فيه هذا الموضوع.
لا بس
Can you speak in English?
if I drink this beer, show me, can I see it? I win this iPhone.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Seriously, just because I drink a little bit, I win this iPhone.
Yes, you can just take a sip, but I need to see it.
Are you kidding now? Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding, man.
Are you gonna drink?
I'm gonna do for an iPhone. I would do anything, bro. Take this. Maybe I'll drink it, but just a little bit because
Yes.
I'm driving. You know,
Come on, man. You're joking.
لا
You're gonna
حبيبي.
do it.
Yes, I will do it. شو لك
ليزي
علاقة؟
يا معلم خلبيس تشبيك ما اتق الله نحي نحي.
حبيبي شو لك
انت
علاقة؟
اصلا تمس صحراء. سايب
حبيبي شو لك علاقة؟ تليفونك عم يرن، رد على تليفونك انت. انا رايح اشرب.
شبك فيه تليفون.
حبيبي شو بدك؟
نحي علينا نحي.
ايه ده؟
نحي صح.
موف يا اخي. Is he with you?
No, I don't know.
Exactly.
I
So
don't know who
why
he is.
Who are you, man? Answer your phone because do your business, man. Leave me alone. If I drink, I
Yes,
win. Yeah.
I will win this iPhone 12
Huh?
Pro Max.
جربوا.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What?
What are you doing? Excuse me.
That's the beer, mate.
تعال لك حبيبي انت ليش هيك كسرتها؟ ليش هيك كسرت القنينة؟
يا اخي اتق الله يا معلم حرام را.
شو الت...
What are you doing? Excuse me. What are you doing? Excuse me.
يا اخي اتق الله يا معلم حرام را.
شو اتق الله؟ لا why did you break it؟
في البير بشتغل على الايفون يا معلم.
مشان ايفون بساوي كل شيء انا.
عيب
مين قال لك؟
عليك
مين
ايش
قال
بيك
لك
ايش
تسرق
تحكي؟
انت؟ He broke it now. What I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do now? I want to win
Listen,
this
take your
iPhone.
iPhone please and go.
Why
He's
did
not
you do
gonna
this?
drink.
يا
He's not
جماعة
gonna drink unless
Why?
we would drink from there.
هيك انت ليش هيك سويت حبيبي؟ شو لك علاقة؟ Do you have another bottle to drink?
انت اتق
That's the
الله.
only one I have.
استغفر الله بتشرب بيرة على شي الايفون.
ايه بشرب
تشبيك
بير.
معلم
ايه بشرب
لاباس.
بير. ايه بشرب بير. يلا
سايب
حبيبي روح
عليك،
انت على
سايب
البيت.
عليك،
يلا
سايب
روح.
عليك.
يلا خلص.
هاي سايب عليك.
يلا روح.
اخويا امشي طبعا
Okay,
خليك انا ايفون ونسى الموضوع هذا. هاي سايب عليك.
طب وين
Can you go away?
تعال
No,
لا.
no,
Wait
I
just a
don't.
second. Just a second. I am with her. انا معها. This is just YouTube video and it's a prank. انت هلا على اليوتيوب. انا اسمي يوسف قباني ومعروف بفيديوهاتي. يا جماعة اقسم بالله او ماي جاد الشاب التونسي شفتوا شو سوى؟
I'm stressed man.
يا جماعة كسر قنينة الكحول. This is not alcohol. تعال هلا. هي مو بيرة. هي مجرد عصير تفاح.
انا شميت.
ايه لا مجرد عصير تفاح. القنينة هي قنينة بيرة بس فاضية انا معبيها عصير تفاح. اقسم بالله انا معها. This is she's with me and just YouTube
Stressing,
video.
man.
Because you did this man. Can you see this iPhone 12 Pro Max? يا جماعة نحن ببريطانيا ما تخلينا عن تقاليدنا. وين ما بنروح المسلمين الله اكبر.
الحمد لله.
والله
الحمد
والله
لله.
انت كفو يا جماعة.
الحمد لله.
في عالم بيقول لك اوكي يلا بشرب بربح ايفون. والله كفو. Congratulations iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro Max هدية لك. مبروك عليك. مبروك عليك.
والله نخمم شيء ثاني.
حبيبي ربي بتمنى هذا الفيديو يكون على اليوتيوب.
بتبيعها مثل ما حتى مشكله.
حبيبي ربي يسعدك. يلا شكرا يا جماعه اقسم بالله. ثانك يو باي باي يا جماعه والله العظيم. اوه ماي جاد كريستيانا شفتي ردة فعله؟
Hi, excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Where are you from?
I come from Iran.
Are you Muslim?
Yes.
Okay, I've got a camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's fine.
yeah, it's fine.
Okay, I've got a challenge for you. Basically, the challenge is I've got here a bottle of beer,
Yeah.
alcohol, in front of the camera, yeah.
Yeah.
And you got to win an iPhone 12 Pro Max
Yeah.
in front of the camera if you just drink a little bit from the bottle.
Oh, how can I drink from camera? I can't do this. I'm Muslim.
Why not?
Because I'm Muslim. I can't do this.
Would you not just not do it in front of the camera, or would you do it like without the camera?
No. I never drink.
You sure?
Yes.
100%. How about if I open it for you?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, I opened it
Yeah.
and I got it here for you.
Yeah. I don't
Would you
wanna.
drink?
Just take it
No, no.
of you. Yeah.
No, I can't give it to you.
Yeah,
No.
Why not?
Because if you said you don't want to drink, maybe I find someone else who would.
No.
No,
Give it to me.
I don't want to give it to you.
Why not?
Maybe I find someone else.
No.
Wait, let me
You
try to-
joke with me. I don't
Oh, excuse
like
me.
it.
He looks Muslim. Let's
Yeah.
see if someone else would do it.
Yeah.
How are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Syria. Why the camera is there?
I'm recording a YouTube video. Okay, you Muslim?
Of course I am Muslim. Yes.
Okay.
Salam alaikum. You Muslim?
You're right.
How are you, brother?
Thank you, brother. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
What's up?
I've got a challenge for you. I got here a bottle of beer or something, alcohol.
Beer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've got an iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold. And
Yeah.
there is a camera. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, it's alright. I don't mind.
Okay. Basically, if you drink alcohol, you will win this iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Whoa, can I see the iPhone?
No. You cannot see it yet. If you drink, you will. Or actually, yeah, you can see it from my hand. Oh, oops. Be careful. Yeah, you can look at it.
Whoa, gold. Oh my god. Did you drink alcohol
Nah,
for an iPhone?
He didn't want to do it.
You didn't?
never.
Why not?
Because I'm Muslim.
Because you're Muslim.
Yes.
I am Muslim too, but I will drink alcohol.
Nah, man. If you're Muslim, how do you drink this? Your mom and your dad knows you drink alcohol.
I don't care, man. This is free country. I'm in England. I want to drink alcohol. Can I have it,
Man,
please?
you stupid man.
Why you calling me stupid?
Because you Muslim. Why you drink alcohol?
Man, for an iPhone, I would do anything.
Nah.
I would do anything for an iPhone, man.
Stupid.
I would do anything, man. What you talking about? Can I have it? I'll drink. This is alcohol, yeah?
Nah, man. You can't drink
Can
alcohol.
I? If I drink it, I win this iPhone.
Yeah.
If I drink.
Muslim, yeah, you should not drink alcohol. Give
Well,
to me.
excuse me,
Pass
man, what you doing?
Pass me, man.
Why are you taking it away from me?
I'm not give you. I'm not give you.
Why?
I'm not give you, man.
Why you throw it away? Excuse me.
Because
Why?
you're Muslim.
Wait.
Why you drink alcohol?
Yes, I am
Front
Muslim.
of me. Go front of anybody. You drink, man.
Why did you
Go
put the
away,
bean in the
man.
bean? Why did you put it in the
Because
bean?
you not.
Why you throw it away? Excuse me. Why you drink alcohol? Yes, I am Muslim. Go front of anybody. Why did you put the bean in the bean? Why did you put it in the bean?
You should not drink that. It's front of me. Because you're Muslim.
Yes, I am Muslim, but alcohol is no problem, man.
Yeah, it's problem because you're Muslim. Your dad and your mom is not with you, and then you said I'm Muslim, but you're not Muslim.
Now you spit the alcohol. How I want the iPhone? What I'm gonna do now?
Nah.
I don't know, but
So you tell her. I
He-
don't know. Go somewhere else.
Wallah, your reaction, man. Come here. I am with her. This is just a YouTube video. It's a prank.
Yeah.
You know, I am with her. And my name is Yusuf Kabani. This is my YouTube channel.
Yes.
I have 1.8 million subscribers on my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Wallah, you are real Muslim. MashaAllah. Ya Jama'a. Guys,
juice wasn't real alcohol. That was
this is not real alcohol. This is just like apple juice. You are very good Muslim. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Ya Jama'a. Oh my God. كبة بالحاوية، كبة بزبالة، علبة أنية الكحول، كبة بزبالة. ردة فعله ببريطانيا يا جماعة ما تخلينا عن تقاليدنا. الحمد لله رب العالمين. Brother, because you did this, yeah. Because you did this, yeah.
Yes.
You deserve an iPhone, an iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of the camera, gift for you, because you did this reaction.
Thank you.
Congratulations. brother. Do you mind this video to be on YouTube?
If you don't mind, give me your number. And
Okay,
then, yeah, no
okay,
problem.
brother, no problem,
No
yeah.
problem, yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay,
fine,
حبايبي,
yeah?
it's
Yes,
fine, yeah.
yes.
Take care, brother, yeah. Thank you very much. هلا خلينا نشوف ردة فعل العالم يا جماعة. والله العظيم أقسم بالله. يلا 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 بسم الله. يا جماعة كبة أقسم بالله كبة. أو ماي جاد. هلا خلينا نشوف ردة فعل المسلمين ببريطانيا. يلا كريستيانا تيك. روحي جيبي قنينة بيرة. استغفر الله العظيم.
Excuse me. Hi, you Muslim?
Yes,
Where are you from?
Egypt.
Oh, you're Egyptian. Okay. I got a camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, that's fine.
It's fine, yeah? Okay, I got a challenge for you. As you said, you are Muslim. It's like a Muslim challenge.
Go for
Yeah.
it.
Basically, I've got here a bottle of wine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could you hold it for me, please? So I show you what you would win if you do it. Okay, you would win an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Well, what do I have to do for the iPhone?
You have to drink a little bit of wine.
No.
Why
That's
not?
haram. I'm Muslim. I don't drink.
How about if I turn off the
Us
camera?
Muslims, no. Us Muslims, we don't drink.
You
That's
sure?
against the religion. No.
But if I would turn off the camera and I just sip a little bit of wine,
No.
you sure?
Yes.
But let's think about it. It's like £1,000 this iPhone.
I understand it's an iPhone, but it's alcohol.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hi, you Muslim?
Yes, of course I am Muslim. You don't see my clothes. I am Muslim. Yes. Why you recording there? Why the camera is there?
Okay, basically I'm doing YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, I don't care. It's alright.
Okay,
No worries.
as you don't mind, I've got a challenge for you. Basically,
Yeah.
here is a bottle of wine.
Wine. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, you know what wine is?
Of course, it's alcohol. Alcohol. You Muslim?
Yes.
Salam alaikum, brother.
Walaikum
How you
salam,
doing?
brother. How are
كيفك؟
you?
Alhamdulillah. You Arabic?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good.
Where
Do
you
you
from?
speak Arabic?
A bit.
Okay. Yeah, I'm from
Try.
Syria.
Okay. Can you listen to my challenge now? Basically,
Yeah.
the challenge is if you drink a little bit of wine in front of the camera, you would win an iPhone 12 Pro Max, brand new.
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yes!
Whoa! If I just drink a little bit.
Yes, just a little bit.
Whoa! My lucky day, man.
No, don't. You say you're Muslim, don't drink.
I am Muslim, but most of people drink, man. So what? No
Still.
problem, man.
Why do you care what other people do?
I don't
You
care.
say you're Muslim, you are true Muslim, you won't drink.
Man, for an iPhone, would you believe this? iPhone,
Yes,
I need
it's
to
an
work.
iPhone.
I know I need to work the whole life to get an iPhone 12
Okay,
Pro Max.
work your whole life then.
I don't want my easy. She gonna.
Yes.
Seriously.
Yes, I'll
Se-
give it to you. I
swear.
promise you. I swear.
Whoa, man. Can I have it? Yeah?
Yes.
If I drink this now, like it's
Yeah.
open
Oh.
already. Whoa. What do you mean you dare me?
I
Well,
dare you.
yes, I will do
you won't
it.
do it. You say you're Muslim, you won't
Yes,
drink.
I will do it. Yes, alcohol.
No,
oh.
you won't.
But this doesn't gonna affect me like too much. Just a little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit, but you have to show me that you drink it. Like you have to show.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman.
What you doing, brother?
Why are you pushing me? Why? What?
What's happening?
Leave
Excuse
it.
me.
Leave it.
Let go.
Leave it. What? Who are you? What? What you doing, man? What you doing? What you doing? Excuse me. Is he with you?
No,
Excuse
I
me.
don't-
What?
I don't-
What's happening? Excuse me? Leave it, let go, leave it. What? Who are you? What? What you doing?
What you doing? Excuse me. Is he with you? Excuse me.
I
Why?
don't-
Don't
Why did
drink.
you do this?
You say
Why
you're
did you do
Muslim,
this?
why are you drinking?
Yes, I am Muslim. Why did
No.
you do this? Why did you do this? Is he with you?
Well, why are you doing that?
Why is he with you? What is this? Why did you throw it
I
on the
don't
floor?
know him. What we gonna do now?
Who are you to do this, man? Who are
Who
you?
are you to drink?
Yes, you're not.
You're
yeah,
fake Muslim.
It doesn't matter.
You're fake. Don't get in my face. You're a fake Muslim. No.
Oh yeah, excuse me, cars are coming.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Why?
It's just a YouTube video. I am with her. This is just social experiment. And my name is Yusuf Kabani. This is just my YouTube channel, yeah? Wallahi, ya jama'a, look what you've done. And this is not alcohol. This is just apple juice. You to see people reaction. Ya jama'a, oh my God. Wallahi al-azim, let me just get it. Let me just get it. Brother, you want to drink? Drink. it's just apple juice. يا اقسم بالله شوف ايش سوى فيه يا جماعه. look what you make me wet يا جماعه. مضل انتزعت جلابيه هلا ما بعرف شو بدي اسوي. والله العظيم you're real Muslim brother. Because you did this reaction, yeah? You have a gift for me from me to you, yeah? Because you did this reaction. Can you see this iPhone 12 Pro Max? You You don't need to drink alcohol, you don't need to do anything, but because you defend a Muslim of doing haram things, this is gift for you from me in front of the camera. From my YouTube channel, Yusuf Qabbani, this is for you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Do you mind this video to be on YouTube?
Yeah, that's fine. Go,
It's
go.
fine, yeah? Alright, brother, nice to meet you. والله العظيم يا جماعة تنسى فيديو. Oh my god. يلا let's go. والله يلا. Oh my god يا جماعة ردت والله العظيم. شوفوا كلياتي أنا هلا بدي بدل أواعي بدي بدل. I need to change now. That's it.
Want me to hold this?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون.